Earth's atmosphere is a delicate yet vital layer that surrounds our planet, nurturing and protecting all forms of life. From the gentle drift of clouds to the vast expanse of oceans and the bustling energy of cities, the atmosphere shapes every aspect of our world. It acts as a shield, filtering harmful radiation and moderating temperatures to create a stable environment. This invisible envelope is essential for weather patterns, the water cycle, and the air we breathe. Without it, Earth would be a barren, lifeless sphere. The atmosphere's presence is both subtle and profound, sustaining the vibrant life that makes our planet unique. In a matter of moments, the familiar clouds overhead dissolve without a trace, leaving the sky eerily empty. Darkness swiftly replaces the usual daylight, as sunlight is no longer scattered by the atmosphere. The vibrant blue of Earth's surface fades, replaced by a cold, lifeless gray. With the atmosphere gone, the protective layer that once shielded the planet has vanished, exposing the world to the harshness of space. The sudden transformation is both dramatic and unsettling, signaling the beginning of profound changes for all life on Earth. As the supply of breathable air vanishes, panic quickly spreads among the population. People desperately search for any remaining pockets of oxygen, their movements growing frantic as the atmosphere thins. The sudden decompression unleashes powerful explosions, shattering structures and sending debris flying. These violent blasts compound the chaos, making escape and survival even more difficult. In mere moments, the environment transforms from familiar to hostile, with every breath becoming a struggle and every second fraught with danger. As the planet's oceans reach a critical tipping point, the water begins to boil, sending vast clouds of steam into the atmosphere. This rapid evaporation accelerates the loss of water to space, leaving behind barren seabeds and reshaping coastlines beyond recognition. Familiar landscapes, once teeming with life, are erased as the surface transforms under extreme conditions. The disappearance of oceans marks a profound shift, altering weather patterns and destabilizing ecosystems. In this new reality, the planet's surface becomes increasingly inhospitable, and the memory of blue waters fades into history. The world has entered an era where familiar weather patterns have disappeared entirely. Storms, once a regular occurrence, have vanished from the atmosphere, leaving the skies eerily still. In their absence, temperature extremes have become more severe, with scorching heat waves dominating vast regions. The planet's surface now glows with a faint red hue, a result of unfiltered solar radiation bombarding the land. Without the protective buffer of clouds and storms, the environment has become increasingly hostile. Life struggles to adapt as the relentless sun transforms the landscape into an unforgiving realm. The sudden collapse of technological systems begins with satellites failing in orbit, cutting off vital communication and navigation networks. Without the protective shield of Earth's magnetic field, the mesmerizing auroras vanish from the night sky. In their absence, our planet is left exposed to intense streams of cosmic and solar radiation. This bombardment poses serious risks to both human health and electronic infrastructure. Power grids falter, and sensitive equipment is rendered inoperable. The world faces unprecedented challenges as it adapts to a new reality shaped by the relentless forces of space. As the disaster unfolds, chaos erupts among both humans and animals. Emergency suits become a lifeline for those fortunate enough to have them, while many others are swept up in waves of panic. In the streets and open spaces, people scramble for safety, their fear mirrored by the confusion and distress of animals struggling to breathe. Many creatures, unable to escape or adapt, begin to succumb to suffocation. Meanwhile, scientific teams work around the clock, urgently analyzing the situation and searching for solutions. Their efforts are a race against time, as the scale of the crisis becomes increasingly apparent. Earth's atmosphere plays a crucial role in supporting life. Air pressure created by the weight of atmospheric gases allows us to breathe and keeps bodily fluids in a liquid state. The atmosphere also acts as a shield, protecting the planet from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Without this protective layer, dangerous radiation would reach the surface, making life as we know it impossible. Additionally, the atmosphere helps regulate temperature by trapping heat through the greenhouse effect, preventing extreme temperature swings between day and night. Without these functions, Earth would be exposed to lethal radiation, uninhabitable temperatures, and a lack of breathable air, making survival impossible for any known life forms. Life on Earth exists in a delicate balance, sheltered by a remarkably thin layer of atmosphere. This invisible shield, composed of gases like oxygen and nitrogen, is all that stands between us and the vast, inhospitable expanse of space. Its presence allows us to breathe, protects us from harmful radiation, and moderates the planet's temperature. Yet, its fragility is often overlooked, despite being fundamental to our survival. Reflecting on this dependence invites a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the vulnerability inherent in our existence. It serves as a reminder of both the preciousness of life and the responsibility we share to safeguard the world that sustains us. As the view gradually expands, Earth appears as a silent, desolate sphere adrift in the vastness of space. No signs of life remain, only the cold surface of a once thriving world. This haunting image compels us to reflect on the fragility of our planet and the consequences of our actions. What choices led to this outcome, and could it have been prevented? The fate of Earth serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of stewardship and the urgent need to safeguard our home for future generations.